Tonight I'd like to make a dirty martini. This is one of my favourite cocktails. It's a gin and vermouth, and it has olive brine, the brine that you get in a jar of olives. So first of all, I'm going to take my ice bucket, and I'm going to add some ice to my cocktail glass. This will chill the glass so that I'm not pouring my martini into a warm glass. So there we have it. I have added some ice cubes to my martini glass, and now I've got my mixing jug, and I will add some ice cubes to my mixing jug, just like so. So there's my mixing jug with ice, and now I will add 3 measures of Pickering's blood orange and rosemary gin. This will just give it a slight hint of orange and rosemary. So 3 measures of gin. This will be about approximately 75 milliliters. So here we have it. Just like so. And then I will add half a measure of vermouth. So this is my vermouth here. And I will add half a measure. So 3 measures was approximately 75 milliliters. So half a measure will be about 15 milliliters. So straight in. And then I will add 15 milliliters, so another half measure of olive brine. So this is the salt water you get in a jar of olives. Straight into my mixing jug. And then I can give that a cheeky stir. And now that I have stirred that to my satisfaction, you can tell by the condensation around the outside, I can take my martini glass, tip out the ice, and pour my my martini into my martini glass. And for garnish, I will use 3 olives on a cocktail stick. Now, I believe they stand for something. Is it love, honor, and hope, or something? I'm not quite sure. It's the reason there's 3 olives on a dirty martini is because they mean something. It's very similar reason to why you put 3 coffee beans on a espresso martini. But I believe it's love, honor, and hope. If it's not, please let me know in the comments. So may I say, cheers. That is lovely. That is an absolutely quite a savoury cocktail. Obviously savoury because of the brine, the salty brine. Absolutely lovely. If you like salted drinks, and I know a lot of people do not like salted drinks, it's not their taste. Absolutely fair enough. To me, I quite like a savoury cocktail. A Bloody Mary, a dirty martini. I'm afraid I can't think of any other savoury cocktails. Oh, maybe a margarita because of the salted rim. Cheers.